you together.
Y'all see this right here? This talk. This talk right here. You see talk?
Yeah.
The reason why this is a good example is because guess when they was made? In 1810.
1810, okay. Wow.
This family right here still get money from this talk that I bought today in 2021.
Yeah.
Since 1810. It's
right.
2021.
Okay.
So let's say
that's perfect. I love this is where we're going right now.
So let's say if I invest in this company long ago.
Yeah. Oh. Let's talk. Let me see that.
Go ahead.
1810. Okay. 1810. Tell me where black people were in America in 1810.
We were I'm sure we were slaves.
Still slaves, you know, because we ain't get free until what, 1864? 1864. Okay. So no, you couldn't have invested in this in 1810 because white people took you from Africa so they could mine talk and put it in a bottle and sell it. And then so this family, they still rich off this shit because they took you as your people as a slave.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So these companies are doing they all this shit is built on that. It's all built on oppression. It's all built on, you know, taking advantage of other people. And when you put your money into that, that's essentially what you're supporting. You're supporting the white man's company. Like, I mean, that's who Tesla, Bitcoin, all that. That's all white shit, bro.
So what about if you support something black?
It's
and then you invest in that.
First, you're gonna have a hard time finding a publicly traded black-owned company. I don't think any exist right now. Okay. Maybe one or two. The one big one, BET, was bought out by Viacom, so you know what I'm saying. Now it's owned by white people, so they always kind of end up getting control. Like that's their thing. So my thing is divesting from that. So we're handing over resources to them so they can continue to build their empire. So that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about not investing anymore. Because we gonna have to get it a different way. It's not gonna be in a playbook.
Okay, that's perfect. So we're gonna have to get it in a different way. Now, what way is that? What's the answer to that question? And I know the answer to that question. That's why I asked.
The answer to that question is revolution, bro.
Okay.
That's the answer. That's the short answer.
Okay.
It's gonna take a lot before that, because we playing catch up from way back. You know, way back. You know. I was reading this book called the counter revolution at 1776, and you know 1776 was the year that the United States became, you know, that was the year of the Declaration of Independence, right? So you think about what was going on in 1776. You know, black people started being enslaved over here in 1619. So you 100 and some odd years into, you know, America becoming its own country, right?
Okay.
And so black people are resisting this whole time, right? We don't want to be slaves. We don't want to be enslaved. We don't want to deal with all this shit. So there was the author of that book. He made an interesting comment in there.
What's the author name?
Gerald Horn.
Okay.
And so it's an interesting read, man. But he was just like, you know, the Africans, bro, we losing right now. So all that being said, man, like,
you consider yourself African or African American?
So I consider myself African. So we all African, but we somehow ended up in the new world, which is America. They call America. So yeah, definitely straight from the continent. You know, a couple hundred years removed, but you know. It's real, man. Like we can't be trying to honestly, we can't be trying to win the war that never ended.